Introduction to Food Logging and Health Apps.
Tracking your meals and nutrition is a valuable tool for managing chronic conditions. Many health apps offer dedicated features for logging what you eat, allowing you to monitor key nutrients, spot patterns, and share data with your care team. In this guide, you'll discover how to use these tools effectively for better day-to-day health management.
Choosing the right chronic condition app.
Start by choosing an app that supports nutrition tracking for your specific condition. Look for features like food databases, barcode scanning, customizable meal entries, and reporting. Popular apps often include myfitnesspal, Carb Manager, or disease-specific options provided by healthcare companies or advocacy groups. Make sure your chosen app meets your needs and is user-friendly.
Logging your meals, a step-by-step process.
Begin by opening your app and finding the meal logging section. Select the meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. Enter foods by searching the database, scanning barcodes, or manually adding ingredients. Adjust the serving sizes to match what you actually ate. Some apps let you save favorite meals or create custom recipes for quicker logging.
Tracking key nutrients and symptoms.
Pay attention to nutrients important for your condition, such as carbohydrates, sodium, or protein. Most apps provide detailed breakdowns for each meal and your total daily intake. Some also let you log symptoms or add notes, helping you and your care team spot links between what you eat and how you feel.
Using reports and sharing data.
Health apps often feature reports or charts to visualize your nutrition trends over time. Review these to identify patterns, achievements, or areas needing attention. Many apps allow you to export your food logs to share with your healthcare provider, supporting better communication and personalized treatment.
Tips for successful food logging.
Consistency is key for accurate tracking. Log meals as soon as possible to avoid forgetting details. Set reminders if the app offers them. Be as honest and precise as you can, but don't stress over perfection. Over time, logging your nutrition can become a valuable and manageable part of your chronic illness care routine.